You know, about this part, I'm not upset. But it also said a lid. So I have to show you the lid. This is the lid. And the only thing that stainless steel is this little top right here, which is just a covering, just like this ring. It's just a ring of stainless steel. The rest of this is really cheap plastic. Also, this is what's scary to me more than anything. Look at this, you guys. Look. It's not stable. Let me show you. And I hope you guys can get a good pic. Do you see this? This is not a solid base. Do you understand? It's not a solid base. That's scary as hell. So it's a no for me.
Does the blue light come on? No. Does it work? No. Is it heating up? No. I could put it on, I could put it off. Put it on, put it off, put it on. Is it working? No. After 1 week use, it stopped completely working. It worked well for 1 week. And then, butt kiss. See, let's follow the cord. Oh, look, it's plugged in, but, oh, look. Nothing.
My family and I make several cups of hot tea every day. It can be a process. Sometimes I put on the stove and then I have to remember to run back to it and shut it off before it starts screaming and whistling and wakes up the baby. It's a whole thing. But this electric kettle is really cool. You just put out the amount of water you need. This amount, it can boil in under 3 minutes. You flip on the switch, it starts reacting right away. And then it shuts itself off when it's done. There's no screaming and there's no whistling. It's really awesome. This one's by Mueller. I know I'm easily amused, but the speed kind of blew my mind. Wanted to share. Thanks.
This little baby right here, it gets the job done. Yes, it gets the job done. It boils really fast. It even has a strainer for your teas, your tea leaves and herbs. Yes.
And so there's nothing on the outside. And when I pour, it starts to leak. Can you see it? Wait, you're bridging.